What's going on, everybody? Aaron here at Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing and Coatings here in Highland, Indiana, right off the Boulevard and 45th Street. Today I've got a vehicle showcase. Shout out to Greg. We've got this 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse custom ordered from the factory. This vehicle is sweet. Client put on some custom rims, and besides that, we did some custom color match, painted emblems, mirror caps, and full body paint protection film. Let me walk you through everything that we did. This vehicle came out fantastic. Let's get started. We started off with full body PPF. So we did full body on everything, painted on the exterior, top to bottom, back to front in PPF. Shout out to KDX Films, our in-house brand PPF, 10-year warranty, 8mm thick, non-yellowing, extremely hard top coat to prevent all the environmental damages like tar, tree sap, acidic rain, harmful UV rays, paint overspray. You can look at every single edge on this Mustang. It's completely wrapped and tucked. We disassembled almost the entire vehicle from start to finish to get everything wrapped and tucked as seamless as possible. We have decided that we are not like the traditional industry PPF where you try and get one car out a day, maybe two cars out a day, get them, rushed through the system. We're not that type of shop. We're a very bespoke shop, very, very detail and quality oriented. Our film is wrapped and tucked as much as humanly possible. We expect very minimal contamination, 1 to 2 pieces per panel at max. Other shops, 5, 6, 7 pieces. We're talking as clean as you can possibly get. No dust, no hairs, no fibers underneath the film. Our quality checklist, if you come in for a consultation, we'll show it to you. It is pages long. Our standards and our SOPs for installation of paint protection film is like none other in the country. We work on the highest level cars here in Northwest Indiana, and today we just put on the finishing touches on this 2026 Mustang Dark Horse. Now, I actually went to the dealership and personally inspected it for the client. It's a service that we offer here at A2D, again, going above and beyond on that quality. We want all of our clients to feel extremely important and safe when they're purchasing a vehicle of this caliber. So I actually found a few panels that were misaligned, a few dents, and actually a rock chip from the initial pre-delivery inspection, the PDI. So client was extremely happy that I was able to come out to the dealership and do a full inspection, custom inspection, interior, exterior, paint depth, and the whole 9. So we did a custom inspection, and then the client dropped the vehicle off to us for service. In regards to the PPF, the first part of the process is our wash and decon. So we have 2 shops. The first shop is our 6,000 square foot building where we do a wash and decontamination. We start with a full foam wash, removing all the main dirt and grime from the exterior of the paint. We clean everything. We're talking the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, the brake dust. Then we detail brush every single crack and crevice from top to bottom, back to front, around all of the trim pieces, around all the headlights, the tail lights, the grill area. Any of the badges and chrome are removed. These were all removed. The film goes underneath and then gets put back on. Same thing with door handles, mirrors. That all gets taken off and put back on. The top fin gets removed and put back on. So all that stuff is removed. We detail brush around it. Then we do our iron decontamination. That's going to remove any iron particles, brake dust, and road grime from the exterior. You'd be very surprised how much yellow we can actually pull out of your paint, because iron particles are from brake dust and rail dust, and just like our rail road right behind us, the factories are they transport vehicles by rail. And so when you have a vehicle and your vehicle is being done at the factory and it sits outside for 2, 3, 4 weeks before it actually gets shipped to the dealership, or whether it's waiting on parts or sensors or what have you, the vehicle's sitting outside right next to the rail yards, and so that rail dust gets caked inside the clear coat. You'd think it's perfect, but it's not. So we do our iron decontamination. Then our clay bar treatment. Clay bar makes the surface silky smooth. It removes any embedded contamination that's in the paint. Stuff you can't really see with your eyes, but you can feel with your hands. So we'll remove all of that contamination, and then we go in to our film process. Now our film shop is next door. It's a custom 1,500 square foot shop. It's got custom walls, custom lighting, custom everything. It's mopped and swept twice a day. You could eat off the floor. It's super clean. We do all of our printing, cutting, plotting, weeding of the film for the vehicles in there, and then all of the installation. It's what we call our dust-free clean room. It's a clean room because it's got air controlled, dust controlled. It also has AC and heat, so it is the exact same temperature year round, which is pretty awesome because working on film and you're dripping sweat underneath the film is not how you want the film to be applied. So it's all the same temperature year round. It's awesome. The film does not get any dust and contamination underneath because it's applied in a clean room. See, the thing, and I've always wondered, but when you have the PPF being installed in the same exact shop as you're doing paint corrections and wet sanding and you're washing vehicles and we're undercoating vehicles over here, how do you get no dust underneath the panel? To me, it's just absolutely mind-boggling. So that's why we have the two separate shops, because we want to make sure when we're installing film that it's as clean as humanly possible. Then we also tinted the windows, so we did the two front windows, and we also did the windshield. We did the sun strip, and then we also did the back window. So a sides and rear package with the sun strip and with full windshield and sun strip. So that's all of our ceramic film, KDX Stellar, blocking out 99% of UV rays, and the total solar energy rejection is like upwards of 70%. So it's going to block out a ton of light and heat from the sun. So that's fantastic. Then we also put on some PPF on these custom painted pieces. So clients applied these custom window guards here, and almost like a louver. And then we also installed these custom side vents. They're just double-sided taped on both of these, so those came out fantastic. We did custom paint work. We did the mirrors. We custom painted the mirrors to paint match to the vehicle. And we also custom paint matched the front horse emblem, the Mustang emblem on the front. So that came out fantastic, and it matches flawless too, which is awesome. So yeah, the vehicle came out fantastic. We swapped the rims for the client, and yeah, this vehicle is ready to go, roof to road protected. PPF protecting from rock chips, dings, scratches, and scrapes up to 99% of all rock chips, dings, scratches, and scrapes for 10 full years. And yeah, thanks so much, Greg, for your support. Thanks for bringing the Mustang by, letting us do your full body PPF. Really appreciate it. If you guys want any PPF done to your vehicle, you're looking for ceramic coating, some paint corrections, swirl removal, stuff like that, basic interior extra detailing, undercoatings, Icon Rock Clear, window tint, you know where to give us a call. 219-533-8783. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you made it this far, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Helps us so more people can see our shop here in Highland, 9936 Express Drive in Highland, Indiana, right off of US 41, the Boulevard, and 45th Street. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Aaron, out.